Hey, what's up, PUNDI-X holder? So, what's going on, my sweet brother? What's going on? Everything is fine in PUNDI-X? Not fine. Yes, absolutely. PUNDI-X is in the loss and a previous days. Why they are in the lost? PUNDI-X new coin is absolutely a very lost very fastly. So, why they are losing? What the reason behind this? They're losing. And if you know about the latest news of PUNDI-X crypto market, crypto market news, then for crypto market lost 10 billion US dollar. Yes, 10 billion US dollar and a previous 2 days. So why they are lost? Bitcoin is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, and this time Bitcoin also lost. So why Bitcoin and Storm X, these two cryptocurrencies totally lost very highly. So this is the reason I think I explain in this video, the reason everything I discuss in this video. So keep watch PUNDI-X holder. Also this video is very informative for you. If you are a new holder, then absolutely don't skip this video. Before I start this brand video, I request you, if you are new on our YouTube channel, then please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates and very informative about crypto review videos. Okay, so let's get started this brand video, guys. If you can see here, the latest price of PUNDI-X has decreased. Why they decreased? You can see here. Tomorrow when I see their price as 5 point something price, but today they go come down, and you can here, as you can see here, the chart as 14.5% come down. Why the market cap as totally goes down? Let's check out the market cap to what's going on in the market cap and the full diluted market cap. What's going on? Okay, this is absolutely very important. So where is the market cap? So let's come down, scroll down. Okay, so guys, they are loading especially. Please like this video if you enjoy this video as informative for you. Okay, so here is the market cap, domain market cap, everything is here. So PUNDI-X price, here you can see here everything about PUNDI-X price market cap here as 1 point billion something. This is absolutely goes down. You can see here the market cap domains as 0.06. So market cap domains as 0.6. Why? This is absolutely reason I explain it at the end of the video or mid of this video. So guys, if you can see here, the trending volume as absolutely market domains as a 0.0984. So absolutely this is also very badly gone down, decreasing everything as a decreasing. Why they decreasing? I told you. You can see here the market cap rank is absolutely come down. This is 88, but this time they come down to 91, but my expectation is not at that to this they can come down like this. This is very bad market cap rank, they go down. This is absolutely very all time. You can see here highly 10.010 I think something, and 55.9% they come down and negative. So this is absolutely very bad. So guys, let's come down to scroll down, and this time if you can see here, this time how do you feel about PUNDI-X today? So today I told you them very bad. Okay guys, because you can see here 53% people as click on the good, but 47% people click on the bad. So I know they cross at 50% just bad. Okay, so today is very bad result for PUNDI-X, because you can see also and the result. Okay, so this time you can see here, and the last 1 hour result has gone good. Absolutely, the last 1 hour result has gone good, 1.6% gone up. So this is absolutely a good result for PUNDI-X holder. If you can see here, the last 24-hour result, as minus 14.5%. Guys, the last 24-hour result as y and negative. This is one big reason. And the last, you can see here, the last 7 days result is also in negative. These both results are same, just 2% I think something difference, and those both, but these both result you can see here, they are same, and this is one big reason to their gone down. And the reason as that this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency goes down in those days. I already said in my previous videos, but this is very good for us new videos. Please new, if you are new viewer on our YouTube channel, then the reason as that this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is lost in those days. So please, this is not a fair time. Okay, so guys, Let's check out the chart. The chart absolutely completely goes down. You can see here they totally take a small jump, but again they take a dumping, and you can see here the price has very gone down 4.99 US dollar. But again this time you can see here they come again 5 US dollar, but again they come down very fastly, and completely they come down to 4.65 US dollar. The price is decreasing very fastly. What your opinion, what your expectation? My opinion, my expectation is very important also, so I told you I cannot order you, I just share my opinion in this video. Guys, I think this is good time for buying. Absolutely, this is good time. If you have plan to buy, then I think this is good time for buy. Or just say why absolutely why. This is one reason that I tell you this is buy time, and the reason as that to this is the start second week of this month. So I hope the price is increased starting now, and I hope at the mid of month they give us 6 US dollar, and at the end they give us 10 US dollar. My expectation is very good from PUNDI-X, because PUNDI-X is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. Everybody know this. This is very fastest cryptocurrencies. So I hope they can give us a very good result and upcoming days and upcoming okay. So the future is very bright of PUNDI-X. What you say? My opinion is that to buy, hold, and wait for the end of this month. And I cannot sell it. I wait for 2225. Okay, I cannot sell it. I sell it in 2025. Otherwise I have no plan to send. Okay, so you also hold it and wait for the end of the month. I hope they give you a good profit, they make you a millionaire. So don't sell it, and please like this video. If you need this type more informative video, then please subscribe channel for latest updates. I updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.